I am Joy Bailey, the Mortgage Boss. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I have content that I post for first-time home buyers as well as new loan officers or aspiring loan officers. And today I just wanted to chat with you about a question that I'd received on one of my previous posts about employment. Now, I have been in the mortgage industry for nearly 9 years. It'll be 9 years on August the 4th. And the question was, it seems to be pretty difficult for new loan officers to get employment because everyone is asking for you to have some sort of experience. So I'll give you a couple of quick bullet points and I'm out. So this will be pretty short. So when I first started, I actually got employed with a mortgage company, mortgage lender. It was like an online independent mortgage banker. And I actually paid for my own license and my own test. That's not really the norm, but I say that to say, if it comes down to it and it makes you more marketable, you may want to just go ahead, bite the bullet, pay the $300, $350 for the class, whatever, I think a couple $100 for the test, and get licensed, in your home state. And then if you're getting additional licenses, the company that hires you will likely pay for that. It depends on how it plays out, but that is something that tells the company, one, you are very serious and you are not there to waste their time because you've already elected to invest in yourself. Two, it means that that's something that they don't have to pay for. And a big reason why a lot of mortgage lenders are pulling back on hiring new people is they just don't have the business right now. And they have very thin margins on the profits that they're making on the loans, if they're making any profit at all. So they just don't have the money in the budget to ball out on y'all. So that's thing number one. My second suggestion, after leaving that mortgage company, which was a terrible experience, by the way, I went to a bank. In a bank, you don't have to get licensed. You don't have to take a test. The only thing that you have to do is be registered. So you show up and you registered. And so that is a big difference between mortgage lenders and banks. You don't have to have the individual state licensing. And so that opens you up to a lot of opportunity if you're in a consumer direct setting to be able to take business that are inbound calls, most often the bank's clients nationwide. So it provides you with a lot of opportunity to get a lot of at-bats, which is something that I always talk about, because the experience does not come from the years in the business. The experience comes from the number of people that you have been able to interact with, make loans for, deny, because each of those conversations, each of those interactions are learning experiences that you could put toward your next consultation that you have. It allows you the opportunity to learn how to talk with people on all four corners of the United States, at all income levels, all socioeconomic backgrounds and racial groups. So that is something that I personally would suggest. I'm just a fan of the bank, particularly, like I said, consumer direct. The third suggestion is if you are having a hard time in finding an opportunity to enter being a loan officer, the consumer direct setting is probably best. One, because it is it's a safer environment, I'll say. And I know for a fact, because I have friends that are managers in consumer direct settings, they're not necessarily looking for you to have a lot of experience right now. What they're trying to do, because we know interest rates are headed down, they're hiring people to get them trained and get them ramped up so that when the interest rates fall, they'll already be in position to be able to take the influx of phone calls. The difference between that and the retail space is the retail space probably won't hire you because they're not expecting you to be able to produce a lot of business, because realtors don't have a lot of business. And unless you just are magnificent at social media or other marketing outlets to be able to market your services directly to consumers, completely bypassing realtors, then it's going to take you a while, and effectively you will be costing the company money just sitting there with nothing to do all day. Consumer direct, it will likely be better for you to at least get some experience, get your foot in the door. So I hope that information was helpful. You guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. All of my contact information will be below. I did decide, after several people reached out to me in varying ways, emails, DMs, text messages, that I will do some consultations, just quick little 30-minute talks, just to see if there's anything that I can do to help get you on the right path. This is going to be a 30-minute conversation for someone that is aspiring to be a loan officer or someone within that 0 to 3 year range. So I'm happy to help. The link will be below. And I guess if you did not subscribe, please subscribe. Make sure that you like this, and please share this with 2 or 3 of your loan officer friends. And I guess I'll see y'all next time. Have a great day.